Today's headline: DRC Ebola is outpacing the response as Uganda starts the clock. Welcome to Ebola Watch.
This one's from Al Jazeera.
The World Health Organization, WHO, has warned that Ebola is spreading in the Democratic Republic of Congo more quickly than in any previous outbreak. WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus told reporters on Thursday that the Ebola outbreak in the DRC in 2018-2020 took more than 10 months to reach 2,000 confirmed cases. But this time, it took only 2 months for there to be over 2,000 confirmed cases.
CIDRAP with Stephanie Souchere.
The last person being treated for Ebola Bundibugyo virus in Uganda has been discharged, meaning the active outbreak is now solely in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC, where the latest case count stands at 2,073 confirmed infections and 796 deaths. Now the country must wait 42 days, 2 Ebola transmission cycles, with no new cases before the outbreak can officially be declared over.
Nilepost writes,
A senior United States delegation has concluded a 5-day visit to Uganda, reaffirming Washington's commitment to supporting the country's Ebola response, strengthening regional health security, and expanding humanitarian assistance. The delegation, which visited Uganda from July 11 to 15, 2026, comprised Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for Global Health Security, Joe Scovich, Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for Disaster and Humanitarian Response, Taylor Garrett, and the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, Ebola Response Incident Manager, Dr. Satish Pillai.
David Eel, writing in Deutsche Welle.
Letty lives with 20,000 other internally displaced people, IDPs, at the Kigonze camp on the outskirts of Bunia in Eastern Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC. They fled the violence of the many rebel groups that have destabilized the region for decades, but now they face a new threat. Camp officials told DW that in June, the Ebola virus had been detected for the first time amid people who had died.
If you come to Ebola Watch for clear outbreak updates, you might also like Measles Outbreak Daily, daily U.S. measles case counts, MMR vaccine policy, and outbreak tracking for parents, teachers, and clinicians who want real numbers. Find it wherever you get podcasts. Next, we're watching Uganda's 42-day clock. It still has to go that long with no new confirmed Ebola case before the World Health Organization can declare the outbreak over. You'll find links to every story from today's briefing in the show notes. So if one caught your ear, you can go deeper there. That's Ebola Watch for today. This is a Lantern podcast.